1. Hello everyone, hope you happy in learning English. Today, let's review the past perfect tense. This tense describes an action which took place before a definite time in the past to show that one action happened before another action or time in the past, and to describe the earlier of two past actions. It is always used with the past tense, and often used with words like before, after, by the time, when. We form this tense by placing had in front of the past participle of the verb. Example: I had seen, we had seen, you had seen, she had seen, etc. Let's fill in the blanks with the verb in parentheses. 1. Obama by the time we arrived. Leave. 2. Sato told me that water everywhere for us. Look. 3. Before coming to Asauri Kitagawa as a salesman. Work. For Putin, who told me that the police finally the thief. Capture. 5. The teacher returned the exercises we for her. Prepare. 6. Niu Takeda said that she them to be fairly good. Find. 7. I met them before I 100 yards. Go, corn. Do you know the answer below? Let's try together shortly. 1. Obama had left by the time we arrived. 2. Sato told me that Wada had looked. 3. Before coming to Asauri Kitagawa had worked. For Putin, who told me that the police finally had captured. 5. The teacher returned the exercises we had prepared. 6. Niu Takeda said that she had found them. 7. I met them before I had gone 100 yards. Happy and fun in English.